welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 12 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is adverbial clauses, right? So, अब ये adverbial clauses क्या है? Let's read out. So it says adverbial clauses serve the same function as adverbs और adverbial phrases. ये जो adverbial clauses हैं ये बिल्कुल सेम फंक्शन यानी कि सेम काम करते हैं जैसे कि adverbs या फिर adverbial phrase करते हैं, right? Now, first topic that we have over here is the subordinating conjunctions. So, अब ये subordinating conjunctions क्या है? Let's find out. So it says words such as when, if, because, since, although are subordinating conjunctions. कि ऐसे words जैसे कि when, if, because, since, although ये सभी subordinating conjunctions है, right? Subordinating conjunctions introduce subordinate clauses. कि subordinating conjunctions introduce करते हैं subordinate clauses को, right? Subordinate clauses are dependent on the main clause containing the main verb. कि subordinate clauses जो हैं वो dependent होते हैं main clause पे जो कि main verb contain करते हैं, right? जिसमें main verb होती है. They are often called dependent clauses और इन्हें हम dependent clauses भी कहते हैं. Correct? The majority of subordinating conjunctions introduce adverbial clauses. कि जो majority है subordinating conjunctions की वो introduce करते हैं adverbial clauses को. Correct? Now, there are many different types of adverbial clause कि बहुत सारे तरीके के अलग अलग adverbial clause होते हैं introduced by various kinds of conjunctions जो कि अलग अलग तरीके के conjunction से introduce किए जाते हैं. In many cases, adverbial clauses can come before the main clause as well as after it. कि बहुत से केसेस में एडवर्बियल क्लॉजेस जो हैं वो मेन क्लॉज से पहले भी आ सकते हैं और उसके बाद भी आ सकते हैं, राइट? दोनों ही जगह हम उन्हें यूज कर सकते हैं. करेक्ट? वेल, नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव द एडवर्बियल क्लॉजेस ऑफ टाइम. सो अभी एडवर्बियल क्लॉजेस ऑफ टाइम क्या है? लेट्स फाइंड आउट. सो इट सेज अ सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज that tells us about the time of the action in the main clause is called an adverbial clause of time. कि एक subordinate clause जो हमें बताते हैं action के time के बारे में in the main clause, एक main clause में, तब हम उसे एक adverbial clause of time कहते हैं. Adverbial clauses of time usually begin with words like when, while, since, before, till, after or as. के adverbial clauses of time usually शुरू किए जाते हैं words से जैसे कि when, while, since, before, till, after या फिर as. They often answer the question when. ये कभी कभी when question का आंसर भी हमें देते हैं. For example, brush your teeth. When? After you have eaten. Correct? Now, they say read the adverbial clauses of time in the following sentences. अब हमें जल्दी से इन adverbial clauses of time को read करना है जो कि इन sentences में हमें यहाँ दिए गए हैं. So just wash your hands before you eat. We were all in tears as the film came to an end. Raj wanted to see Priya again before he left for Kolkata. We can discuss plans after you have had a shower. I'll wait here till you come back. She likes to listen music while she cooks. Give this letter to Prerna when you see her. You are grown a beard since I last saw you. Correct? So these were the adverbial clauses of time. Clear? Now it says, with most conjunctions of time, the subordinate clause can come before the main clause. कि बहुत से conjunctions of time के साथ जो subordinate clause है वो main clause से पहले आता है. Right? I can start the cooking once I've collected all the ingredients. Right? Or it can be written as, once I've collected all the ingredients, I can start the cooking. Right? Next. However, subordinate clauses beginning with till or until normally come after the main clause. कि जो subordinate clauses हैं जो कि till या फिर until से शुरू होते हैं वो normally main clause के बाद आते हैं. Just like we stayed in the garden till the sun went down. Right? Next, when the main clause uses a future form of the verb, for example, with shall, will, or be going to, or is in the imperative, the verb in the subordinate clause is in the present tense. कि जब भी main clause use करेंगे future form में verb की, जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल के लिए हम मान ले जब हम shall, will या फिर be going to के साथ यूज करें या फिर imperative sentences के साथ यूज करें तो जो verb form है वो हमेशा subordinate clause की present tense में होगी. Right? Just like I am going to write a letter of complaint when I get home. We shall stay here till you arrive. You will be meeting Julie before I do. Give your parents my regards when you next phone them. The conjunction since usually requires a present perfect or past perfect form of the verb in the main clause. कि जो conjunction है since वो usually एक present perfect या फिर past perfect verb form को use करता है main clause में. जैसे कि it says you have changed your mind since we last discussed this. Then he had grown a beard since I'd last seen him. Clear? Then, next we are talking about adverbial clauses of place. तो अब बात करते हैं adverbial clauses of place के बारे में. So it says a subordinate clause that tells us where the action in the main clause takes place is called an adverbial clause of place. एक ऐसा subordinate clause जो कि हमें बताता है कि कोई भी action main clause में कहाँ पर हुआ था. Right? What was the place where it was happened is called an adverbial clause of place. उसे हम adverbial clause of place के नाम से जानते हैं. Adverbial clauses of place usually begin with words like where, wherever, everywhere or anywhere. कि adverbial clauses of place जो हैं वो usually शुरू किए जाते हैं word से, जैसे कि where, wherever, everywhere या फिर anywhere. All these words can express their position or direction. कि ये सभी वर्ड्स एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं या तो इनकी पोजीशन या फिर डायरेक्शन, राइट. दे आंसर द क्वेश्चन वेयर और वेयर टू, कि ये हमें आंसर करते हैं क्वेश्चन का जो कि है वेयर या फिर वेयर टू. जैसे कि एग्जांपल्स हैं यहाँ पर. इट्स वेरी हॉट. वेयर द कैमल्स लिव. करेक्ट. Now, let's read the examples. So it says, read the adverbial clauses of place in the following sentences. तो इन sentences में हमें कुछ adverbial clauses of place दिए गए हैं. Let's read and try to understand. So it says, stay where you are. So यहाँ पर जो where है वो refer कर रहा है in the place where, right? Next, go where you are directed. यहाँ पर जो where है वो उस place को direct कर रहा है जहाँ के लिए बोला जा रहा है, right? Next, leave the money where you found it. The lamb followed wherever Mary went. There was a hollow patch in the bed where he had been lying. Now, we can use the preposition from and to before where or wherever, right? कि हम use कर सकते हैं preposition from और to को before यानी कि where या फिर wherever से पहले, right? Just like the examples we have over here are, we could see the hilltop from where we were standing. I walked over to where Janet was sitting. He sends postcards from wherever he happens to be. I forward this mail to wherever he happens to be. Moving ahead. Now we can usually put the adverbial clauses of place before the main clause, especially when the conjunctions of place means wherever. कि हम adverbial clause को मेन वर्ब से पहले भी यूज कर सकते हैं, मेन क्लॉज से पहले भी यूज कर सकते हैं, स्पेशली तब जब कंजंक्शंस ऑफ प्लेस का मतलब होता हो wherever, राइट. एग्जाम्पल्स हैं, wherever he went, the famous actor would attract a big crowd. Everywhere you go, you see the same ads. Where there is life, there's hope, right? Now, next we have adverbial clauses of manner. अब बात करते हैं adverbial clauses of manner के बारे में. So it says, a subordinate clause that tells us the way the action in the main clause happens is called an adverbial clause of manner. ये एक ऐसा subordinate clause जो कि हमें बताता हो कि कोई भी action किस तरीके से किया गया मेन क्लॉज में, राइट, उसे कहा जाता है एडवर्बियल क्लॉज ऑफ मैनर, राइट. एडवर्बियल क्लॉजेस ऑफ मैनर बिगिन विद एज, जस्ट एज इफ, एज दो, जस्ट लाइक और द वे, राइट. तो एडवर्बियल क्लॉजेस ऑफ मैनर जो है वो इन सभी वर्ड से शुरू किए जाते हैं. दे ऑफन आंसर द क्वेश्चन हाउ और इन व्हाट वे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, तो ये हमसे यूजुअली क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं हाउ यानी कैसे, या फिर किस तरीके से, राइट? तो एग्जाम्पल्स में हमें दिए गए हैं, आई वॉन्ट माई हेयर कट. हाउ? द वे Salman's is cut. Right? Next, he curled up on the floor. In what way? The way a cat does. Right? Next, read the adverbial clauses of manner in the following sentences. अब जल्दी से adverbial clauses of manner को पढ़ते हैं इन सभी sentences में. So it is, please do as you are told. Srinagar was cold, just like you told us. She screamed and screamed as if she had seen a ghost. Chimpanzees use their hands just as humans do. John was rushing along as though he was in a great hurry. Treat others the way you want to be treated yourself. Right? Subordinate clauses of manner normally come after the main clause as in the examples above. तो ये जो सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉजेस ऑफ मैनर है ये नॉर्मली मेन क्लॉज के बाद में आते हैं, जैसे कि इन एग्जांपल्स में हमने पढ़ा. करेक्ट? नाउ नेक्स्ट वी हैव द एडवर्बियल क्लॉजेस ऑफ रीजन. सो अब बात करते हैं एडवर्बियल क्लॉजेस ऑफ रीजन के बारे में. व्हाट आर दे? अ सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज that gives the reason for the action in the main clause, or the reason for what we say in the main clause is called an adverbial clause of reason. तो एक subordinate clause जो कि हमें reason देता हो किसी भी action का, right? कि किसी काम को करने के पीछे क्या reason था main clause में, या फिर रीजन फॉर व्हाट वी से इन द मेन क्लॉज, यानी कि मेन क्लॉज में जो हम बोल रहे हैं उसके पीछे का क्या रीजन है, राइट? इज कॉल्ड एन एडवर्बियल क्लॉज ऑफ रीजन. उसे हम एडवर्बियल क्लॉज ऑफ रीजन के नाम से जानते हैं. एडवर्बियल क्लॉजेस ऑफ रीजन यूजुअली बिगिन विद एज, बिकॉज, सिंस और इन केस. एडवर्बियल क्लॉजेस ऑफ रीजन जो है वो यूजुअली शुरू किए जाते हैं बिकॉज, एज, सिंस या फिर इन केस से. दे आंसर द क्वेश्चन व्हाई. ये हमें आंसर करते हैं क्वेश्चन पूछा जाए तो व्हाई का, राइट? जैसे कि एग्जांपल्स हैं, वी टुक द टैक्सी होम. व्हाई? एज इट वाज लेट. करेक्ट? नेक्स्ट, read the adverbial clauses of reason in the following sentences. अब जल्दी से ये एग्जाम्पल्स पढ़ते हैं जिसमें हमें adverbial clauses of reasons के बारे में बताया गया है. So it is, Raj works hard because he wants to do well. We stayed inside since it rained heavily. You will have to share as there are not enough sweets for everyone. Take your umbrella with you in case there's a downpour. Now, it says adverbial clauses of reason can come before or after the main clause. कि जो adverbial clauses of reason है ये एक मेन क्लॉज के पहले या फिर बाद में आ सकते हैं, हम इन्हें यूज कर सकते हैं, राइट? जैसे कि I usually avoided Rita because I didn't like her much. Correct? या फिर it can be written as because I didn't like Rita much, I usually avoided her. Right? Now, Next topic that we have is adverbial clauses of purpose. So, अभी adverbial clauses of purpose क्या है वो पढ़ते हैं. So it says a subordinate clause that tells us the purpose of the action in the main clause is called an adverbial clause of purpose. कि एक ऐसा सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज जो हमें बताता है किसी भी एक्शन के पर्पस के बारे में, राइट. मेन क्लॉज में उसे कहा जाता है एडवर्बियल क्लॉज ऑफ पर्पस. करेक्ट. एडवर्बियल क्लॉजेस ऑफ पर्पस usually begin with words like so that, in order that और so, right. कि ये जो एडवर्बियल क्लॉजेस ऑफ पर्पस है ये यूजुअली शुरू किए जाते हैं वर्ड्स के साथ, जैसे कि so that, in order that या फिर so. They answer the question what for, कि ये आंसर करते हैं क्वेश्चन को जो कि है what for. जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल हमें दिए गए हैं I get up early. What for? So I can do some work before breakfast. Clear? Now, they say read the adverbial clauses of purpose in the following sentences. तो अब जल्दी से adverbial clauses of purpose को पढ़ते हैं इन सभी sentences में. So it says, we crawled along the ground so the others would not spot us. I'd better clean the house so that it looks nice for the party. Let's look at the map carefully so that we don't lose our way. Speak loudly in order that everyone can hear you. Give way in order that the ambulance can pass. Correct? Now, when the clause or purpose refers to a future situation, its verb can be in the present or future tense. कि जब क्लॉज या फिर पर्पस रेफर करता है एक फ्यूचर सिचुएशन को तो उसका जो वर्ब होता है वो प्रेजेंट या फिर फ्यूचर टेंस में हो सकता है. जैसे कि वी शैल लीव द एयर कंडीशनर on so that the temperature remains or will remain even. Right? Now, next topic that we have is adverbial clauses of result. तो अब ये adverbial clauses of result क्या है? So it says a subordinate clause that tells us the result of the action in the main clause is called an adverbial clause of result. कि एक ऐसा subordinate clause जो कि हमें किसी भी एक्शन का रिजल्ट बताता हो मेन क्लॉज में, तो हम उसे एक adverbial clause of result के नाम से जानते हैं. Adverbial clauses of result begins with so, that or such that. Right? ये जो adverbial clauses of result हैं ये शुरू किए जाते हैं so that या फिर such that की वर्ड से. Right? So, read the adverbial clauses of result in the following sentences. अब जल्दी से adverbial clauses of result को पढ़ते हैं इन सभी sentences में. Correct? So, it says, it was so hot that the butter melted. Right? There was so much food that a lot of it was left over. So many people entered the hall that there weren't enough chairs for them all. She had such a bad headache that she had to go to bed. Mr. Johnson won so much money that he didn't know what to do with it all. Right? She gave such a good performance that the audience stood up to applaud her. Right? Next, in informal English, the conjunction that can be omitted from the clause of result. Right? कि in informal English में right जो conjunction that है उसे हम omit यानी उसे हम remove भी कर सकते हैं. It is not mandatory कि हमें that word का use करना ही है, but only in informal English. Just like she was so ill, she nearly died. Right? She gave such a good performance, the audience stood up to applaud her. Next, we use so before verbs, adverbs, quantifiers like many or much, and adjectives that are not followed by nouns. कि हम use करते हैं so before verbs, verbs के पहले, adverbs के पहले, quantifiers जैसे कि many या फिर much या adjectives and adjectives that are followed by nouns. Right? इन सभी के पहले हम so का use करते हैं. Example, she played so well that she was chosen for the band. She practiced for so many hours a day that she was tired. She was so enthusiastic that she practiced for 3 hours a day. Next, we use such and such a before nouns and before adjectives followed by nouns. कि हम such या फिर such a का use करते हैं nouns या फिर adjectives से पहले जो कि जिन्हें हम nouns के पहले use करते हैं, right? Just like Sachin had such talent that he was soon opening the innings. Correct? Next, there was such a demand to hear her that the concert hall was full. Right? Then, next thing that we have is adverbial clauses of concession or contrast. अब बात करते हैं adverbial clauses of concession या फिर contrast के बारे में. So, it says a subordinate clause that tells us something surprising or unusual connected with the main clause is called an adverbial clause of concession or contrast. कि एक ऐसा subordinate clause जो कि हमें बताता हो कुछ सरप्राइजिंग या फिर अनयूजुअल जो कि मेन क्लॉज से कनेक्टेड है, उन्हें कहा जाता है एडवर्बियल क्लॉज ऑफ कंसेशन या फिर कंट्रास्ट. राइट? एडवर्बियल क्लॉजेस ऑफ कंसेशन और कंट्रास्ट बिगिन विद ऑल्दो, दो, इवन दो और इवन इफ. राइट? ये जो एडवर्बियल क्लॉजेस ऑफ कंसेशन और कंट्रास्ट हैं ये शुरू किए जाते हैं ऑल्दो, दो, इवन दो या फिर इवन इफ के थ्रू. करेक्ट? नाउ इट सेज रीड द एडवर्बियल क्लॉजेस ऑफ कंसेशन और कंट्रास्ट इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. कब जल्दी से एडवर्बियल क्लॉजेस ऑफ कंसेशन या फिर कंट्रास्ट के एग्जाम्पल्स पढ़ते हैं इन सभी सेंटेंसेस में जो यहाँ पर मेंशन है. सो द एग्जाम्पल्स आर he has decided to retire although he is only 50. Then she included the painting in the exhibition although she wasn't very pleased with it. She feels tired all the time even though she takes plenty of rest. Right? Next, even though it was so badly printed, I found the book interesting. Then, our holiday in Mussoorie was fun, even though it rained all the time. Next, you must learn grammar, even if it's difficult. Solve all the sums again, even if you think you know them. Right? Now, next they say that adverbial clauses of concession can come before or after the main clause. कि ये जो adverbial clauses of concession है, ये main clause के पहले या फिर main clause के बाद में भी use किए जा सकते हैं. Clear? Then, we can also use as to form a concession clause. कि हम as का भी use कर सकते हैं अगर हमें concession clause बनाना है तो. So, it is late as it was, we decided to walk home. Right? Childish as it may seem, I enjoy games like hopscotch. Right? Next, we have adverbial clauses of comparison. तो अब जल्दी से adverbial clauses of comparison के बारे में बात करते हैं. So it says, a subordinate clause that compares the action in the main clause with something else is called an adverbial clause of comparison. कि एक subordinate clause जो कि एक action को compare करता है main clause में किसी और चीज के साथ, उसे हम adverbial clause of comparison के नाम से जानते हैं. Right? The conjunction then and the pair of words as introduce comparative clauses. कि जो conjunction है then और pair of words जैसे कि as और as, ये comparative clauses को introduce करते हैं. The conjunction then is combined with the comparative form in the main clause. कि comparative form के साथ हम than को use करते ही हैं main clause में. Right? Now it says, read the adverbial clauses of comparison in the following sentences. अब जल्दी से adverbial clauses of comparisons को पढ़ते हैं इन सभी sentences में. Right? The weather was hotter in Dehradun than it was in Mussoorie. A cheetah can run faster than a deer can. The train is going more slowly than it usually does. Raj had made more mistakes than I had. The job took longer than we had expected. She is slimmer than she used to be. Right? Next, the conjunction as is combined with the adverb as in the main clause. कि जो conjunction है as, वो combine की जाती है adverb as के साथ main clause में. Right? Just like the examples which says, you will soon be singing as beautifully as your sister does. Was Jaipur as wonderful as they say? This year's exams weren't as difficult as last year's were. The sky is almost dark as it is at night. We didn't do the job as quickly as we had hoped. Right? Next, it says, note that the comparison is not always between two people or things. कि अब हमें ये ध्यान रखना है कि हम कंपैरिजन हमेशा सिर्फ दो लोगों के बीच में या फिर दो चीजों के बीच में नहीं करते हैं. Right? We can compare the state or performance of the same person or thing at different times. कि हम कंपेयर कर सकते हैं स्टेट या फिर उस परफॉर्मेंस को सेम पर्सन या थिंग के अलग अलग टाइम्स पर. राइट? सो द एग्जाम्पल्स, जैक्सन सिंग्स बेटर देन ही यूज्ड टू. कि हमने जैक्सन की ही सिंगिंग को कंपेयर किया है बट टाइम के बेसिस पर. राइट? पहले से अब तक. देन द ट्रेन इज गोइंग मोर स्लोली than it usually does. Correct? Or the comparison may be with what expected, hoped or said. या फिर कंपैरिजन किसी और चीज के साथ भी हो सकता है जिसके साथ हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो. Just like I didn't get as much money as I wanted to. The job took longer than what we had expected. Was Lotus Temple as beautiful as they say? Right? So that was all about the chapter adverbial clauses. I hope you all are clear with them and its kinds as well. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.